Okay, talk to me over here. We don't need to talk.
Oh yeah. No. I recorded.
Stay over there. Stay over there.
Alright guys, this video was sent to me by a channel called Double D Audits. This video was shared by Bay Area Transparency a little while back, but this guy is still going to court and he still needs more support, folks. He sends me a message on Instagram and I'm going to read that to you guys really quick. I'm going to court next week for 3 counts of obstructing an officer because he says I pushed past him 3 times even though the video shows the opposite. 1 count of battery and 1 count of resisting. All while not detained and on a public sidewalk for this short video. Dude, help me. I'll pay you. Brother, you ain't gotta pay me nothing, bro. I'm gonna do what I do best and I'm gonna send you over some support. He did not send me much information regarding this video, folks, as far as the police department, names and badge numbers, any of that stuff. So if you want to help this guy make some phone calls, maybe make some complaints, go over to his channel, see what you can find out. I'm merely trying to send him some support. With that being said, you guys take a look at this quick video. Go subscribe to Double D Audits. Let them know I sent you. All right, folks, let's get right to it.
Hey guys, before I get into this video, I want to give a really big shout out and thank you to David over at San Joaquin Valley Transparency and the entire SJVT crew who enabled this channel to go from about 200 subscribers to almost 1,800 as of the recording of this video just overnight. You guys rock, man. As I always say, none of us is greater than all of us. And I know that we all have one goal in mind, even though it might not be stated all the time. The reason we do what we do, that you do what you do as First Amendment auditors, is because you just want to make us a little bit more free. Carve out for ourselves just a little bit more liberty so that we can provide for our families, live in peace, and live in prosperity on American soil. So I really appreciate it, David over at San Joaquin Valley Transparency and the entire SJVT crew.
Recording people. First Amendment audit. Go ahead. Cool. What law did I break?
Did you do anything inside?
Nope.
Okay, well, okay, talk to me over here. We don't need to talk.
Oh yeah. No. I recorded.
Stay over there.
Supreme
Stay
Court.
over there.
Do not touch me.
Stay over there.
Supreme Court says I can record you.
You can
Supreme
record.
Court says I can record
But
you.
I'm
Do not
talking to
touch
him.
me.
Stay over
Do
there.
not touch me.
Do not follow
Do
me
not
again.
touch me.
Do not
Do
follow
not
me
touch
again.
me.
Okay.
Do not touch me.
Talk to me over here.
Do not touch me.
Stay
Do
over
not
there.
touch me. Do not touch me. Fuck you. Do not touch me.
Stay
Do
over
not
there.
touch me.
Listen.
You're in trouble, bro.
Listen.
Do not touch me. What's your name and badge number?
Listen.
Do not
Stay
touch
over
me.
there. Give us
Do
a
not touch me.
back away. You
Do
want
not
to get
touch me.
arrested?
Yeah,
You
go
want to
ahead.
get arrested?
Go ahead. Go ahead. Do not touch me. Go ahead. Do it. You're fucked, dude.
You want to do
You're
it?
fucked. Go ahead. Go ahead. You're fucked.
Against the wall.
You're fucked. You're fucked.
your hand-
You're
hands behind
fucked.
your
No,
back.
you can't.
Against the wall.
You
Hands
can't.
behind
You
your
can't.
back.
No. Nope. For what crime? For what crime? For what crime?
So from my understanding, folks, they're still trying to convict this guy. They're not dropping his charges. And this is the last message he sent me. The judge threatened to hold me in contempt if any of my subs log on to my Zoom hearing. WTF is this? Bro, screen record your Zoom hearing or do it with another phone and re-upload it. Many folks have already done that. And what we're beginning to see today, folks, is more and more judges overstepping the boundaries of people's constitutional rights. And in my opinion, when they do this, they should lose their absolute immunity. We've already talked about qualified immunity over and over again. Police officers have qualified immunity. Judges, prosecutors, public defenders, they all have absolute immunity, folks. That's why they do what they do with the people, because they're not afraid of any repercussions. You guys go subscribe to Double D Audits. Let him know I sent you. Let's get his numbers up. Let's let his public officials know that we the people are watching. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
What I love about the First Amendment auditing crowd, at least some of the ones that I've met, is that it's like all for one and one for all. We really push and pull for each other. And that's something that I truly appreciate. So while people out there auditing, they're also promoting other channels so that they can get more viewers, so that we can spread the message of liberty. Because man, the price of freedom is eternal vigilance. And when I think of somebody who's eternally vigilant, one of the first things that comes to my mind are First Amendment auditors. So I really appreciate what you guys do.